Inkantolo yemantshi yase Thlabane eRustenburg eNorth idedele ngebheyili yeyinkulungwane ezingamashumi ayisithupha zamarandi isikhulu semayini iImpala platinum. Lesikhulu sizinikele emaphoyiseni namhlanje safike sathweswa icala lokwephula umthetho wenhlekelele ka-2002. Sisolwa ngokuthumela izaziso ezisebenzini zemayini okhona kuzo nalezo engenza umsebenzi okuthathwa njengomqoka ukuba zize emsebenzini ngolesibili.
Mark Mandru ubephelezela ummeli wakhe eyozinikele emaphoyiseni ePhokeng. Emva kokuthweswa amacala ubese ovela enkantolo yemantshi yaseThlabane. Uthweswe icala lokuyalela izisebenzi zasemayini iImpala platinum ukuba zisebenze kuleli sonto. Ithimba labameli bakhe litshela inkantolo ukuthi izisebenzi zayalelwa ukuza emsebenzini emva kwezingxoxo nomnyango wezokumbiwayo. Lesigameko senzeka nje lemayini isanda kufaka isicelo sokuqhubeka nokusebenza. Yize kunjalo isenzo sezikhulu zale mayini sinenge ubuholi beANC esifundazweni.
This mine seems to be disregarding a call that has been made by the president of this country, and therefore we request to get information as to what has led to this. And the information we receive is that Impala was never given a permission neither to open or to operate or to call workers.
Ikhosathi isola implants ngokubeka engcupheni impilo yezisebenzi.
The mining industry is a mass-based industry and it's very difficult to adhere to the social distancing when you are in such an industry. In that regard, calling the workers in mass to resume the duties, we are putting their lives and their families in danger.
Kusinjalo eNorth amakhulu abantu asekhalelwe amasongo kasigonyela ngenxa yokuphambana nemithetho ye-lockdown.
Far in the Northwest, we have arrested 9,754 people, and these arrests include, amongst others, those who have been arrested for contravening the provisions, the different provisions of the Disaster Management Act.
uMandru ulindeleke ukuba phinda vele phambi kwenkantolo mhla zezine kuNcwaba nonyaka. Limayini inqabile ukuphawula ngalolu daba. Esitatimendeni iParliament elikwamukele ukuboshwa kaMandru. Usihlalo wekomiti lamagugu ambiwayo nezamandla usahlulele Luzipho ukholwa ukuthi amalungu ebhodi abezomnika uMandru imvume yokuqhubeka nomsebenzi. Uthuma kungenjalo imayini bekufanele imthathele inyathelo uMandru.